Hello everyone, this is the 10th lecture of molecular basis of inheritance, and in this lecture we have to study genetic code and its characteristics. So first we have to see what is genetic code. Genetic code corresponds with sequence of nucleotide and sequence of amino acids, and according to that genetic codes are defined as a relationship between sequence of nucleotide on a mRNA strand and sequence of amino acids in a polypeptide chain is called as the genetic code. म्हणजेच mRNA स्ट्रँड वरती असलेल्या न्यूक्लियोटाइडचा सिक्वेन्स आणि पॉलिपेप्टाइड चेन मध्ये असणारा अमिनो ॲसिडचा सिक्वेन्स यांच्यामध्ये असणारा जो परस्पर संबंध आहे त्यालाच आपण जेनेटिक कोड असं म्हणणार आहे. रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन sequence of nucleotide on a mRNA strand and sequence of amino acids in a polypeptide chain is called as the genetic code. The term genetic code was given by scientist George Gamow. Then we have to see what is codon. Here genetic code is a dictionary and that dictionary consists of genetic words. So here these genetic words are called as the codon. म्हणजेच जेनेटिक कोड ही एक डिक्शनरी आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये जेनेटिक वर्ड्स प्रेझेंट आहेत. त्याच जेनेटिक वर्ड्सना आपण कोडॉन असं म्हणणार आहे. जेनेटिक कोड इज अ डिक्शनरी विच कन्सिस्ट ऑफ जेनेटिक वर्ड्स. दीज आर कॉल्ड एज द कोडॉन्स. देयर आर टोटल 64 codons are there, but out of the 64 codons 61 codons codes for 20 amino acids and remaining 3 codons do not code for any amino acids. म्हणजेच टोटल 64 कोडॉन्स आहेत त्यापैकी 61 कोडॉन्स हे 20 अमिनो ॲसिड्सना कोड्स करतील आणि राहिलेले जे 3 कोडॉन्स आहेत ते कोणत्याही अमिनो ॲसिडला कोड करणार नाहीत. Then next point we have to see which is the types of codon. There are two types of codons are there. The first type of codon is sense codon and the second type is the signal codon. Here sense codon means the codon codes for amino acid. म्हणजेच जो कोडॉन अमिनो ॲसिडला कोड करेल त्या कोडॉनला आपण सेन्स कोडॉन म्हणणार आहे. कोडॉन which codes for amino acids are called as the sense codon. Then the second type of codon is signal codon. Signal codon means codon which codes for signal during protein synthesis. म्हणजेच जो कोडॉन सिग्नलला कोड करेल प्रोटीन सिंथेसिसच्या वेळी त्या कोडॉनला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे सिग्नल कोडॉन. कोडॉन which codes for signal during protein synthesis are called as the signal codon. Its example is AUG, UAA and UAG. Then this signal codon divides into two types. First type is termination codon and the second type is the initiation codon. Here termination codon is also called as stop codon. म्हणजेच termination codonला stop codon असं सुद्धा म्हटलं जातं. And its example is UAA, UAG and UGA. Here UAA, UAG and UGA, these are called as the termination codon or stop codon. Then the second type of signal codon is initiation codon. Here initiation codon is also called as start codon and its example is AUG. Here AUG is also called as initiation codon or start codon. Then next point we have to see which is the characteristics of genetic code. Here total 8 characters are there. The first character is genetic code is a triplet. Second character is genetic code is a specific and unambiguous. Then the third character is genetic code is degenerate or it is also called as degeneracy of a code. Then the fourth character is genetic code is a commaless. Then fifth character is genetic code is a universal. Then sixth character is genetic code is a initiator codon. Then seventh character is genetic code has polarity and the last character is genetic code is non-overlapping. So let's see one by one. The first character of genetic code is a triplet. So why it is called as the triplet? Here triplet means 3. Means each codon consists of 3 bases. प्रत्येक कोडॉन मध्ये 3 बेस प्रेझेंट असणार आहेत, म्हणून त्या कोडॉनला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? ट्रिपलेट कोडॉन और ट्रिपलेट कोड. So here each codon is made up of 3 bases, hence the character is triplet code. Its example is AUG and ACG. Here in case of AUG, A, U and G, these are the 3 bases. Means codon is made up of 3 bases. Then the second character is genetic code is a specific and unambiguous, because one codon codes for only one amino acid. म्हणजेच एक कोडॉन फक्त आणि फक्त एकाच अमिनो ॲसिडला कोड करेल. म्हणजेच जेनेटिक कोड हा कसा असणार आहे? इट इज अ स्पेसिफिक अँड अनअम्बिग्युअस. इट्स एक्झाम्पल इज CCU codes for proline, not other amino acid. Here CCU means codon. CCU हा एक कोडॉन आहे, हा फक्त आणि फक्त प्रोलिनलाच कोड करेल. व्हॉट इज प्रोलिन? प्रोलिन मीन्स अमिनो ॲसिड. म्हणजे CCU कोडॉन हा फक्त आणि फक्त प्रोलिन नावाच्या अमिनो ॲसिडलाच कोड करेल, दुसऱ्या अमिनो ॲसिडला कोड करणार नाही. ईच कोडॉन कोड्स फॉर ओनली वन अमिनो ॲसिड. हेन्स the character is genetic code is a specific and unambiguous. Then the third character is genetic code is degenerate or degeneracy of a code, because an amino acid codes for more than one codon. म्हणजेच जेव्हा एकापेक्षा जास्त कोडॉन हे एकाच अमिनो ॲसिडला कोड करतील तेव्हा त्या कॅरेक्टरला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? डिजेनरसी ऑफ अ कोड. इट्स अ बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल इज GGU, GGC, GGA and GGG. These are the 4 triplet codons which codes for same amino acid. म्हणजे हे चारही कोडॉन एकाच म्हणजे सेम अमिनो ॲसिडला कोड करतायत. म्हणजेच हे कॅरेक्टर कोणता असणार आहे? डिजेनरसी ऑफ अ कोड. Then the next character is genetic code is a commaless, because on the mRNA strand triplet codons are present one after another. म्हणजेच एका पाठोपाठ एक असे mRNA स्ट्रँड वरती ट्रिपलेट कोडॉन्स प्रेझेंट असणार आहेत, बट दे आर विदाउट एनी गॅप और विदाउट एनी पंक्चुएशन. That's why their character is genetic code is a commaless. Then the next character is genetic code is a universal. So why it is called as the universal? Because particular codon codes for same amino acid. पर्टिक्युलर कोडॉन हा फक्त आणि फक्त एकाच अमिनो ॲसिडला कोड करेल. इन ऑल ऑर्गॅनिझम म्हणजे सगळ्याच ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये होणार आहे, एक्सेप्ट कुणाला सोडून? एक्सेप्ट मायटोकॉन्ड्रियल अँड प्रोटोझोअन कोडॉन. म्हणजेच मायटोकॉन्ड्रिया आणि प्रोटोझोअन्स यांना सोडून पर्टिक्युलर कोडॉन जेव्हा सेम अमिनो ॲसिडला कोड करेल सगळ्याच ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये, तेव्हा ते कॅरेक्टर काय असणार आहे? जेनेटिक कोड इज अ युनिव्हर्सल. पर्टिक्युलर कोडॉन कोड्स फॉर सेम अमिनो ॲसिड इन ऑल ऑर्गॅनिझम एक्सेप्ट मायटोकॉन्ड्रियल अँड प्रोटोझोअन कोडॉन. Then the next character of genetic code is a initiator codon. Here AUG shows dual function. Dual means it can shows the 2 different functions. Which are the 2 functions? Here AUG codes for methionine. What is methionine? Here methionine is a amino acid. म्हणजेच AUG हा methionine amino acid ला कोड करेल. This is the first function. And the second function is that AUG acts as an initiator, and that's why here character is genetic code is an initiator codon. Then the next character of genetic code is genetic code has a polarity, because the genetic code has a definite direction only for reading of messages. That is reading of messages from right to left direction as well as left to right direction, and that's why here character is genetic code has a polarity. And the last character is genetic code is non-overlapping, because one base cannot participate in the formation of more than one codon. That's why here character is genetic code is non-overlapping. So here these are the 8 characters of genetic code. Okay, thank you.